What's good everyone, and welcome back for part 2 on making a melodic dubstep song from scratch. Make sure to watch part 1 to get caught up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because I'm posting new videos just like this one every week. So here's what the drop sounds like so far. And now I'm going to try to add some cuts to the drop to make it more interesting, and how I usually go about that is by adding a gain plugin to my drop group and zeroing the gain in different places to see if I can find a cool rhythm. And instead of putting the gain on all my synths, I decided to put it on everything besides the lead. Now I'm going to start making the build up and copy my chords MIDI to this piano plugin, which is free by the way, and it's called Labs by Spitfire Audio. And I'm also going to lay down a simple snare build up and have that slowly filter in. And now I'm going to bring some of my drop elements to the build up and have them slowly filter in as well to show the listener what's coming in the drop. And now I'll show you a cool trick to potentially figure out if the drop sounds better in a different key. And this is how you do it on Ableton, but you can definitely do this no matter the DAW that you have. So first I'll get a new audio clip and I'll have the drop routed to this track, and then I'll print the audio so I can further mess around with it. And now I'll go into the audio clip and mess with the pitch knob to see if I like the drop in another key. And honestly, I like how it's sounding when it's pitched down 2 semitones, but for the sake of the video, I'll keep it at its current key to keep the ball rolling. But if you want to try this out yourself and you find another key that sounds better for your track, you can either pitch the audio or shift the MIDI accordingly. But yeah, I think this is a good stopping point for the video, and in the next part, I'll save the best for last, which is the mixing and mastering. So stay tuned for that, but if you made it this far, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could help support the channel by subscribing, liking, or commenting on the video. And that does it for me, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!